with high honors.
Every step you take today brings you closer to the dreams you want tomorrow. Good morning to our distinguished school officials, our guest speakers, our dedicated faculty, our ever-supportive parents, and most importantly, to my fellow completers. Today is more than just a ceremony. It is a milestone. As we stand on the beginning of a new chapter, we pause to look back at the path that led us here. This journey hasn't always been easy, but it has been meaningful, unforgettable, and truly special. On behalf of the great 10 completers, I want to take this moment to express our deepest gratitude to everyone who helped us to reach this finish line. To my fellow completers, please look around you. These are the faces of the people who survived the same sleepless nights, the same grueling exams, and the same long wait for the dismissal. Thank you for being part of my everyday life. I am grateful for the laughter we shared during those simple, quiet moments in the hallways, and the collective strength we found when the pressure of deadlines felt overwhelming. We've shared more than just a classroom. We've shared growth, from the small interactions that make school days brighter to the deep friendships that held us together during tough times. Each of you has played a role shaping the person I am today. As we move forward, our path will naturally begin to separate. We will meet new people, face unfamiliar challenges, and enter a world that expects more from us. But no matter where life takes us, I hope we carry the lessons we learned here. I am incredibly proud of us, not just for the certificate, but for the grit, the effort, and the heart we showed along the way. We didn't just pass a grade level. We learned how to support one another and how to keep going even when the climb felt steep. To our teachers, our North Star, with sincere hearts, we offer our deepest gratitude to our beloved teachers. Thank you for your unwavering support, your infinite patience, and the passion you poured into every lesson. To us, you were never just teacher behind a desk. You were our mentors, our guides, and in many ways, our second parents. You were the ones who saw potential in us when we were too tired to see it ourselves. You believed in us during our moments of doubt and pushed us to strive for excellence rather than just settling for good enough. To Ma'am Abby, Ma'am Jonah, and Sir Murillo, and sa lahat ng subject teachers, maraming salamat po sa pagturo sa amin. As we take this step forward to senior high school and beyond, we carry the wisdom and the values you have instilled in us. We promise to take the torch of knowledge you passed to us and use it to light our way. We hope to make you proud in everything we pursue. To our parents, our foundation, our constant source of strength, with hearts full of love, we thank you for being the foundation upon which we stand. You were our first teachers. Long before we stepped into this school, you taught us how to dream, how to pick ourselves up after a fall, and how to face the world with courage. We know that behind every success we celebrate today are the countless unseen sacrifices you made. We see the early mornings you spent preparing us for the day. We see the long hours of hard work you endured to provide for our education. And we see the many times you chose our needs over your own. Sa mga magulang, marami pong salamat sa pagsuporta at sa walang katapusang pagmamahal mo sa amin. This milestone belongs to you as much as it belongs to us. Thank you for never leaving our side, for comforting us in times of failure, and for celebrating even our smallest victories as if they were your own. Congratulations to us, completers of school year 2025 to 2026. Let us remember that this is not an ending. but a beautiful beginning. The world ahead is boundless, and while it may be scary, remember that you have already proven you can overcome the challenges of the day. May we continue to dream big, work hard, and never stop believing in the power of our own potential. Thank you for the memories, the lessons, and the love. I will always cherish the time we shared. Congratulations to us all.
Thank you so much for that inspiring message. May you continue to strive hard and to achieve your dreams. At this moment, before before we proceed po sa ating program, let us invite our guest speaker for her token po na binigay sa mga masisipag pong grade 10 advisors. So I would like to invite our grade 10 advisors, Ma'am Jonaline Tuazon, Abigail Libranda, and Sir Joseph Aurelio, para po sa token na bigay po ng ating pong guest speaker. Once again,